السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معاكم اسمها مدرسة العلوم والساينس، كمان معلمة الديسكفر. إن شاء الله هكون معاكم في مادة الساينس. ومادة الساينس زي ما احنا عارفين مادة شيقة وممتعة وجميلة. لو بتحب الساينس هتحبه أكتر، ولو ما بتحبوش هتحبه. ليه؟ الساينس داخل معانا في كل مجالات الحياة، في قسم البيولوجي والكيمستري وكمان الفيزيكس. فالساينس شامل كل مجالات الحياة، وفي تجارب وفي أفكار علمية. فالساينس مهم جدا، يجب إن احنا نعتني بيه ونهتم بمذاكرته. هيكون في مراجعة دورية لكل درس هنشرحه، وهيكون في مراجعة في بداية الحصة. في كل حصة هناخدها هيكون في مراجعة دورية، وكمان هيكون في شرح مبسط باستخدام أحدث الوسائل، واستخدام الألعاب التفاعلية، واستخدام الأنشطة التفاعلية. وهيكون الطالب اللي هو أنت محور العملية التعليمية. هيكون ليك نصيب كبير جدا من إن أنت تشرح لي الجزء اللي احنا عايزين نشرحه. وبالتالي الساينس مادة ما تخافش منها، هي مادة شيقة ومادة جميلة، وأسلوبها جميل وبستخدمه في كل مجالات الحياة. وبالتالي ذاكر كويس ويلا نشوف منهجنا. جدا، تعالوا نشوف المنهج بيتكلم عن ايه. طبعا back to school welcome unit 1. الcontents بتاعتي matter and its characteristics, matter constructions, atomic structure of matter. Let's start with matter and its construction. Okay, now I have gas, solid, and liquid. Okay, I told you matter, matter, matter. What is the matter? Matter is anything that has a mass and occupies a space, or it is anything that has a mass and a volume. Anything around us has mass and volume is a matter. Is a matter. Perfect. Is a matter. So table, for example, has mass. You can weight it, and volume. It takes a space from your room. This is called matter. So anything has mass and volume is called matter. If I ask you, yes, perfect. If I ask you what is the matter, you will tell me matter is anything that has mass and volume, or anything that has a mass and occupies a space. It's easy? Yes. Okay. Matter, we can distinguish matter into physical characteristics and chemical characteristics. Physical characteristics, I have 7 physical characteristics. Number 1, the color, taste, and the smell. We will learn how we differentiate between different matters with color, taste, and smell. Color, taste, and smell. Okay. Number 2, density. Number 3, melting point. Number 4, boiling point. Number 5, hardness. Number 6, electric conductivity. And number 7, thermal conductivity. Okay, and chemical characteristics: very active materials, less active materials, inactive materials. Okay, what will we study now? We will study physical characteristics. Miss, we will study all physical characteristics? No, we will study the first one, the color, taste, and smell. This, the color, taste, and smell. Okay, we will learn how to differentiate between things. Okay, the next. Okay, okay, the color, taste, and the smell. How can we differentiate between them? What is this? Fe? Iron. Yes. And what is this? Gold. Perfect. And what is this? Silver. Okay. If I ask you how you can differentiate between these materials. Iron, gold, silver. How can you differentiate between them? By color. Perfect. By color. Iron, silver, gold, we can differentiate between them. We can differentiate them by colors. By colors. This is gray and gold, and this is silver. This is easy to differentiate between them. Okay, the next. Okay, now I have a different materials. All of these color what? White. Perfect. You can differentiate with color? No, because they are all of these white color. So I can't differentiate with this and this and this because all of these are white color. Okay, so I can't differentiate between this and this and this with color, but can I differentiate with taste? I will test this. This is a sugar, and I will test this. This is a flour, and this is a salt. By testing, I understand what is this and what is this and what is this. Flour, sugar, table salt. So I can differentiate them by tastes. So I use my five senses to differentiate between things. Okay, this is what? Matter. Perfect, because it has mass and volume. This is what? Mass. Perfect, because it has mass and volume. And what is this? Perfect, mass, because it has a mass and volume. So we can differentiate them between tastes. We can differentiate between flour, sugar, and table salt with tastes. I will give you questions. Complete the following sentences. We can differentiate between the sugar and the flour with, and I will give you dots. You will answer with smell, with taste, or with color. You will answer. We can differentiate them by taste. Okay, the next. Okay, I have, this is apple vinegar and this is perfume. You will test with, you will test or you will differentiate between them by color? No. You will differentiate between them by taste? No. You will test perfume? No. It's harm you. And you will differentiate between them by smells. Okay, this is perfume. It's a beautiful odor, and this is vinegar. I can smell it and I can differentiate between them. Okay, I have here important note. There are also some other substances have no color, no smell, or no taste. Okay, miss, you tell me now. You can differentiate between matters by uh, taste or smell or color. Okay, but there are matters we can't differentiate these substances with color or smell or taste, such as water and oxygen gas. We know water have no smell, no color, no taste, and oxygen gas, we breathe it. These substances can be distinguished from each other by other different characteristics. I can differentiate between them, but with different characteristics. Okay? Okay. The next. Now I have problems and I want you to solve these problems and solve these questions. How can you differentiate between the following? Number one, iron, silver, and gold. Do you remember? Huh? Do you remember? I have iron, silver, and gold. How can you differentiate? I have three types. You will differentiate by them. Iron, silver, and gold. Take 5 seconds to say. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is by color. Iron, silver, and gold. I can differentiate between them by color. Okay, the next questions. Table salt and vinegar. Table salt is white color and the sugar is white color. So the color the is the salt? No. So the salt is table salt and sugar. I can differentiate between them by taste. Perfect. I can differentiate between the following by taste. Question number 3. Perfume and vinegar. Perfume and vinegar. How can you differentiate? By color? No. By taste? No. Okay. By what? Perfume and vinegar. By smell. Perfect. By smell. So we took matter, and the matter is what? Answer me, please. Matter is what? Matter is anything has mass and volume. Okay, and matter, we can classify matters into physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties, I have 7 physical properties. And the first is color, taste, and smell. So this is easy for now. Easy? Yes. Easy, and science is so easy and fun and interesting subject. Okay, the next. Matter and density. The properties number 2 was physical properties of matter. Do you remember? Don't forget. Okay, now I want to learn about density. Okay, if I have cube of food and iron and gold, this cube is the same volume. So mass from 1 cubic centimeter wood, this 1 cubic centimeter wood, 1 cubic centimeter iron, 1 cubic centimeter gold. So the same volume. but different masses. Wood equal 0.05 gram. Iron, the mass of iron equal 7.8 gram, and the mass of gold equal 18.9 gram. So of all of these materials have the same volume, the volume of this, but different masses. So equal volumes of different substance. Wood, iron, gold have different masses. I have here number different from this number, different from this number. And if I have another example, equal masses of different substances have different volume. This question is so important, and why equal masses of different substances have different volume? Why equal volumes of different substances have different masses? The two questions will give me the same answer. So the answer, because of their different densities. I have different densities from here. If you solve this densities, this density will different from wood to iron to gold. So equal masses of different substances have different volume. Equal volumes, such as this example, equal volumes: 1 cubic centimeter, 1 cubic centimeter, 1 cubic centimeter, but different masses. This number different from this number, different from this number, because this is wood and this iron and this gold. Different materials give me different densities when it have a different masses or different volumes and the same masses or the same volumes. Density. What is the definition of density? It is the mass of unit volume of matter, or it is the mass of 1 cubic centimeter of matter. So density depend on mass and volume. density depend on mass اللي كانت بالجرام and volume بكيوبيك سنتيمتر cubic. Okay, so density depend on mass and volume. Complete density is depend on not and points, mass and volume. So the definition of density is so important. What is the definition? It is the mass of unit volume of matter, or it is the mass of 1 cubic centimeter of matter. Okay. So density, the unit of density is gram per cubic centimeter. So density equal mass divide volume, or gram divide cubic centimeter. This is the unit of gram is unit of mass, and cubic centimeter is the unit of volume. So from this triangle you can know the mass and density and volume. Density equal mass divide volume, or mass per volume. Volume equal mass divide density. This is divide and this is multiply. So mass, this mass equal density multiply volume. Okay. 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 The time to quiz. It's so easy. Okay. Problem models. A piece of iron has a volume of 10 cubic centimeter and a mass of 78 gram. Find its density. It's so easy. And density equal mass divide volume. So density تحت الدنسity كده equal تحت ال equal mass 78 divide الفوليوم كام ب 10 equal 7.8 gram per cubic centimeter. This is the unit of density. It's so easy. At the ending of our session today, I hope you understand and you will solve the problem. Answer your book, page 8, question number 1 and 2. Thank you. Goodbye.